everyone, it's Anzu and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Chinese traditional makeup in hanfu. I wanted to dedicate this to my Chinese fans in Weibo, QQ and Bilibili because they were looking forward to it the moment I mentioned it. I hope you all like it and I hope I did it accurately. So I think we can start now, but first a word from our sponsors. This video is brought to you by Skillshare, an online learning community with great content to develop your creative skills. Skillshare is a place where you can find out the secrets of design, photography, business, and others. For example, if you're a beginner creator that's on a low budget, iPhone videography course can teach you how to shoot and edit videos with just your phone, and personal branding course can help you build up your social media presence. There are over 25,000 videos on Skillshare on different subjects, so you can simply take your pick. You can get 2 months free by signing up at the link in the description below, and after that it costs about $10 a month. I already prepped my skin with a moisturizer, so I'll be continuing with a BB cushion first. Next, I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer in 322. This is a bit lighter than the BB cushion I used, so I'm using it on places that I wanna highlight and cover. This concealer covers a lot more than your average concealer, so I've been using it a lot more lately. I tend to keep my base, the foundation, lighter and just focus on places that I need with this one. I'll be using Kiko's Lip Plumper Lip Moisturizer to moisturize my lips as I do my makeup. Now I'm quickly drawing my eyebrows with a dark brown eye pencil because I just didn't want it to seem too harsh on my face. Now I'm gonna set everything with a MAC Prep and Prime powder. I actually did this after setting everything up with a sponge because they tend to crease when you don't touch it with a powder for a long time. Now I'm getting Candy Doll's Cheek and Lip Color in Apple Red. This is a cream blush, so it was fairly easy to use it on the corners of my eyes and blend it with my fingers by just tapping. This is gonna be the base color, but afterwards I'll go in with more intense colors with an eyeshadow and a blush. To add more intensity, I'm gonna be using NYX's Fire palette and I'll be using the reddish color in here, the most saturated red, and I'll just go in from the same corners and blend it together with the blush. Before I started with the eyeshadow, I made sure to set the cream blush with a translucent powder because one is cream based and one is powder based. Next, I highlighted the inner corner of my eyes with a silver glittery eyeliner, but you don't have to do this step. I only did it to balance my face because my eyes are a lot closer to each other. Now I'm getting a black eyeliner from the Balm Cosmetics and I'm gonna be drawing the wing in a very long but in a very thin way because I want a natural look. And then I'm gonna get a black eye pencil and I'm gonna smudge the middle part of the eye with the eyeliner together. Because eyeliner is so precise, it's hard to reach the middle parts of the eye and just finish it there, so I needed a pencil to smudge them together. Before any false eyelashes, I used a mascara on my own lashes. I also went through the waterline on my upper eyelid because it tends to stick out a lot when I have black eyeliner and false lashes. And of course, I'm not forgetting my lower lashes. Now I'll be putting on some false eyelashes, but because I want a very natural look this time, I went for short but natural false eyelashes. I also brought the blush down to my cheeks so it could blend together with the eyeshadow and the blush I had earlier on. I also contoured my nose and I contoured it in a way that made it look longer for me, and I usually don't use it this way, but I realized many Chinese traditional makeups used the contour this way, so I wanted to use it the same way. Finally, it's time for the lipstick, so I'm wiping this moisturizer off my lips, and then I'm gonna get this nudish lip pencil and I'm gonna slightly overdraw my lips as always. This is a step I do to get a shape that I prefer more. As for the main lip color, I'm gonna go for red and I'm gonna use Sephora's own liquid lipsticks. This lipstick is also very water resistant. I used Unicorn's hard highlighter just a little bit on my nose. I didn't want to make it too obvious because from what I've seen, Chinese traditional makeups don't really include highlighter, but I also can't live without highlighter, so I just had to include it slightly. As a last step on my eye makeup, I decided to use the black eye pencil on the lower waterline of my eye a little bit. As a last step, I'm gonna be drawing a red flower on my forehead. This is also called Huadian, but I might be pronouncing it wrong with my accent. I'm really sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I followed a reference picture from the internet to do it more accurate, and I did it with the same red lipstick I used on my lips, but this time I used a small brush to make it more precise. And with this, our makeup is done. Thank you so much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye!